Hello friends, welcome to today's Spark session. In this series, we are learning the basics of Apache Spark. In our last video, we saw what all the types of RDD available and we had some demo on that. In today's session, we will learn some of the RDD operations like what all the transformations and what all the actions that we use commonly while we are coding in Spark. We will use Scala as a programming language for this demo and we will ultimately learn what the lazy evaluation is using these concepts. So that being said, let us move on to our today's session. Some of the transformations and actions that we use in our daily day-to-day life is shown here. So here you can see I have separated it into 4 categories like general, mathematical, set theory and then data structure related things. So here also we have highlighted whether it is a easy one or the medium one. So you can find the common operations that we perform like filter, map, flat map, map partition, group by, sample. In set theory you can see union, intersection, subtract, and in data structure you can find zip with index, repartition, coalesce, those things. And in our actions you can find collect, reduce, fold, first take, like those things. You can go ahead and read it. I will pause it for a few minutes. So the next one, this one is a normal Spark operation, and whether this is a paired RDD operations where we will be using a key value pair to perform some transformations and action on top of that. So these are all listed here. So this also you can go ahead and look into it. We will have some demo for few of the things, not for all the things. We will have some demo for few of things. And that being said, what is a transformation and what is the action? Let us quickly move on to a demo and learn what is that. I had opened a Databricks Community Edition for this demo and I have created a Scala notebook, you can see. And let us move ahead to our demo. Let us understand what the transformation and what the action is first and how it is lazily evaluated. So that being said, transformations are nothing but the operations which are applied on top of a RDD to create a new transformed RDD. So here you can see we have created a RDD by parallelizing the array, and here in next step you can see I am using a flat map operation on top of the first RDD to create a new RDD. Here we are having a series of transformation. You can see first I have parallelized the data into an RDD, and then this RDD is flat mapped and I am splitting the data by comma, and here again I am splitting the I am using a map operation, map transformation on the y1, and I'm creating a key value pair, and then I'm having a union operation, excuse me, and I'm creating a union operation, and then also on top of this union I'm applying a filter operation, and on this filter I'm giving a distinct, and on this distinct I am applying a repartition of 5. So you can find I have applied a series of transformations, and let me execute this. Here you can find even though I have a series of operations, it is not implementing any Spark job, it is not running any Spark job, only the RDDs are getting initiated, and it will find a lineage for that, like what is the parent RDD and what is the end result RDD, like those informations it will know. Other than that, it will not touch the any data that is lying around in the distributed data. So this is the transformation. And when it is called, I mean like when it is executed, only when we call the action, only when we execute any action, say collect, take or anything, only at the time all the steps are being executed. That is why it is called a lazy evaluation. Until and unless the action is performed, all the steps are not performed. So let me give a collect. Collect is nothing but it will list all the elements that is available inside the RDD. So here you can find all the operations that I performed, say flat map, map, union, filter, distinct, repartition. All these transformations got completed and it is displaying the end result. So let us check the stages. Only when the action is triggered, the Spark job gets triggered. So here you can find This is the visualized DAG that you can find. Since it is RDD, there is no optimization and there is no catalyst optimization or anything happening. That's why you can see each and every stage that is given as it is. First parallelize, and then we are flat mapping, and then we are mapping, and then we are unioning both the RDDs. After that we are filtering the RDD, and then we are giving a distinct RDD, and then we are giving a repartition RDD. So this is the stages, like since distinct and repartition involves shuffling, it is in the different stage. So this is the process, it is happening inside. And some of the other actions that we have are count, get num partition. Get num partition is nothing but it will display number of partition that is created. Since repartition of 5, I have given repartition of 5, it will obviously be a int of 5. And then first will give the top 1 record, and top 5 will give the top 5 record. So in a simple words, we can say transformations will result in RDD. Even if we give a RDD as an input, it will give RDD as an output, but it might be of different type of RDD. Here you can see parallel collection RDD, map partition RDD, union RDD, like that. But whereas when we apply a action on top of RDD, it will not result in RDD. It will give a different type of data types. Like here you can see array, long, int, like that. Hope you have understood the concept of transformation and action, and also ultimately you have understood the concept of lazy evaluation. Please try this on your own machine and understand the concept better. If you have liked this content, please give a thumbs up signal to this video and also subscribe to my channel for more and more Spark videos. Thank you for watching, guys.